As an angler, what's one of the most frustrating things that happen when you're out fishing? Popping out a ceramic insert on your top guide. What we're going to show you guys is a quick, simple way and how to get this done. You can pick these things up at your local stores. Walmart has an Ozark Trail kit, just a couple bucks. In the same area, there was also this Hurricane brand. Now what's nice, you get 3 different tips and the glue to do this. So it's so simple. You're going to need some kind of a lighter and a pair of pliers. And what we're going to do is show you guys exactly how to do this and how simple this is. We're going to have to heat up the tip section here. Get that glue nice and hot so this can get pulled right off. Boom, just like that. Super simple. And you can see it will not grab the super hot end, but look, no ceramic insert. Now, why does this matter as an angler? Well, no ceramic insert can lead to one of two things. It can damage your line if there's sharp edges to that metal and can break your line on a cast, or you can have issues with line tangling because it doesn't go through the guide as smoothly. So there is a real importance to having that replacement done. We now can clean up our spot on the rod blank. Okay. We're going to use our Ozark Trail one here. And again, comes with 3 different tips to use. So, and out the glue. Definitely don't want you playing around with that. And then you're going to have to kind of just see what's going to fit. To me, that's too big. That one's going to be really too big. Well, Goldilocks here. That one's going to be just right. Okay, so now that you got the right size found out, gonna have to go here to our glue. Same process, right? We're gonna heat this up a little bit on this side. Take our glue stick, and we're just gonna heat up the front end of the glue stick. Okay. You have to do this pretty quickly because this will all dry. Then you want to line it up with your guide on the others. And wham bam, thank you ma'am, you're done. Went from an old crappy one to a nice new. Let that thing set up. Boom, baby. Now you're back to fishing. Something super handy to have with you as an emergency kit. Definitely don't leave a rod tip repair kit out of your bang fishing needs.